It is May 1982, and this narrator has just been born. To celebrate this occasion, I am going to take you on a tour of Manchester, Victoria, a place where I will spend many days in the years to come. This station is a hive of activity. Not only passenger services travelling across the nation, but also newspaper trains intermixed with parcel and heavy goods trains. Until recently, Victoria had 17 platforms. This has recently changed, but the numbering system remains the same for the time being. You may notice that the roof over platforms 12 to 16 is rather short. This is because the station suffered bomb damage during the Manchester Blitz in World War II. On the 23rd of December 1940, several bombs hit the station, destroying the parcel office and a large part of the roof. The parcel office was rebuilt, but the damaged parts of the roof were taken down and never replaced. Let me tell you of current events while I take you over to platform 11. The last Class 55 Deltics have just been withdrawn from service. Although a common sight on the East Coast, a few could be seen passing through Manchester on a daily basis. A joint British Rail Blaenau-Festiniog Central Station has just opened, allowing access from heavy rail to the narrow gauge services. Closer to home, Dayton Station opened in April, and the new Slaithwaite Station is expected to be completed by December. Meanwhile, the two-car Class 40 prototype has been introduced with much fanfare in June 1981 at British Rail Engineering Limited, Derby Works. The scheme, which will replace the successful and long-lived first-generation Class 101s, is expanding production in the coming years, and we can expect to see the new Pacer units appearing soon. Looking out towards East Junction signal box, the track branches off to the left, and beyond you will find Red Bank carriage sidings. Here is located newspaper and parcel stock as far as the eye can see, and here they are stored awaiting the many late night and early morning shipments that occur every day. From Manchester Victoria there are numerous overnight services to the likes of Liverpool, Blackpool, Crewe, Stoke, and across to Cleethorpes, Hull, York and Newcastle. These trains, loaded with parcels and newspapers, were often so heavy in steam days that eastbound services required a banker to get them up Miles Plotting Bank. At one time, Manchester Victoria featured the longest railway platform in Europe. Platform 11 was directly linked to Platform 3 at the neighbouring Manchester Exchange station to make a continuous platform of 2,235 feet, 682 metres. Manchester Exchange station closed to passengers in May 1969. The long platform remains for use by newspaper trains. This footbridge is all that remains of Manchester Exchange Station. Although the canopy covers the full length of Platform 11, these wooden benches are still exposed to the bitter winds and unexpected waves of water that blow over the unprepared traveller. The Greater Manchester Passenger Transport Executive has concluded that an overground metropolitan light railway system to replace or complement the region's underused heavy railway was the most economical solution to improving Greater Manchester's public transport network, which has suffered poor integration and outdated infrastructure. A rail study group composed of officials from British Rail, Greater Manchester County Council and GMPTE has been formed and is expected to formally endorse the scheme by 1984. The new Metro Link project will herald the end of the unique 1200 volt direct current side contact class 504 electric services between Bury and Victoria, and will result in a drastic redesign of the entire area. The British Rail electric services have used Platform 5 at Victoria for many years, with Platform 4 retained for emergency use. The first reduction in platform capacity took place in the early 1970s, when terminus platforms 1, 2 and 3 were taken out of use. This was a result of fewer services needing to be accommodated at the station, following the railway closures made by the reshaping of British Railways report in 1963. The train shed roof bay, which has covered these platforms, was subsequently removed along with the adjoining sidewall, which ran along Platform 1.